Have you noticed something strange about recent Apple events? For over 3 years, Apple has completely ignored one of its most important products, the Apple TV 4K. Right now, it's the oldest device in Apple's lineup without a real upgrade. But that long wait? It's finally about to end. Because all leaks are pointing toward a massive launch, and this is not just a small refresh. This is a complete transformation. Let's start with the problem. The current Apple TV runs on the A15 Bionic chip. The same chip from the iPhone 13. In today's world of A19 level performance, that is ancient. Sure, it still streams movies perfectly. But everything else? It feels stuck in the past. So why did Apple wait this long? One simple reason: Apple Intelligence. Apple has been building a powerful AI ecosystem behind the scenes. And now they're finally ready to bring it to your living room. The new Apple TV is expected to get a massive chip upgrade. At least an A17 Pro, and possibly even A18 or A19. And this changes everything. We're not just talking about faster menus. We're talking about console-level gaming. Imagine playing full AAA games directly on your TV. With smooth performance, high-end graphics, and even ray tracing. This could turn the Apple TV into a true gaming machine. Not just a streaming box. But it's not just about gaming. This device is being designed as the ultimate smart home hub. With support for Matter and Thread, faster Wi-Fi like 6E or even Wi-Fi 7, and seamless control over your entire home. Lights, cameras, security, everything in one place. Plus, Apple is pushing deeper into communication, with features like continuity camera, letting you use your iPhone for big screen video calls right from your couch. Now let's talk about one of the smartest upgrades. The remote. Yes, the remote. Because everyone loses it. This time, Apple is fixing that with a built-in tracking chip. Meaning you can locate it using your iPhone. Just like an AirTag. No more digging through couch cushions. And now, the biggest surprise of all. The pricing strategy. Apple is reportedly splitting the lineup into 2 versions. First, a budget-friendly streaming stick. Simple, affordable, and designed to compete with Roku and Fire TV. Then, a premium powerhouse box. Built for gamers, power users, and anyone who wants the full experience. This dual approach could be a game changer. A cheaper option brings millions into the Apple ecosystem, while the premium version finally gives Apple TV a true identity. If Apple gets this right, this won't just be an upgrade. It will completely redefine what a TV box can do. Streaming device, gaming console, smart home brain, all in one. So now the real question is, which one would you choose? The affordable stick, or the powerful all-in-one console? Let me know your thoughts, and get ready. Because Apple might be about to take over your living room.